Earlier in our hot topics, we touched on the topic of bike robbers on the rise. So it really is time to be vigilant as the everyday traveler. Sometimes we walk about, we're not aware, we don't know what to do if something happens. We've got Senpai Donovan here to help us out, Donovan Lang. Good morning to you.
Morning,
you look dressed and ready. We see what's going on in our country. Do you have a lot of people coming to you to ask you or to get self-defense training?
Well, we have a lot of students within the actual dojos. We have a dojo in Kingston and a dojo in Mandeville and St. Anne's.
Okay.
And within the karate fraternity overall, there's quite a large body of people coming in for fitness training and also for self-defense.
Okay,
Yeah.
all right. So do you teach them basic techniques or do you try to?
We give the basic foundation so that they can progress through the belt system. Because you have to learn certain set of techniques within each belt level.
But outside of the belt,
right,
which will take you a while to learn, even though with each belt your skill sets get better, isn't there like a fast track course where you can show me poke here, break there, punch here, you know?
Okay.
Yes.
That's the general foundation that we give.
Right.
Now, within that, you're going to learn the pressure points, which is your eyes, nose, the chin, the throat, and the ears.
All right. Kerry, can you come back here 1 second? Come again, Senpai.
Yeah.
Pressure points.
The pressure points, so eyes, nose, bridge of the nose, the chin, throat, ears, back of the neck, sternum, groin, knees, inside of the legs.
Yeah, because I hear there's a point in here that can really get those guys down.
The pressure points are along the side, so if I could
Let's
just borrow
use
somebody quickly.
Coulson. Let's just use Coulson. Come, Coulson.
We're not going to hurt you. I'm not going to do anything.
Come, President. Right. Make yourself useful this morning.
So once...
No, disclaimer. You can do anything you need to do.
Anything to him. Okay.
Anything. Don't spare any strength or anything like that.
So inside here, we would kick.
Show us how you do it.
The other, if you felt it. Right, we're using the shin. So that's a pressure point here. There's all soft tissues here. So once you
Can I try? Come back here, Coulson. Because you're teaching women how to self-defend.
Yeah, using the shin.
Shin and kicking his leg. Gotcha.
And like you have heels as well.
Yes.
Coulson, just one moment again. So you just take it and you rake it down the front of the shin.
Okay. Yeah? So just take it,
rake it down.
Okay.
Or you just go.
Or just use the point and stick into the toe.
Into the toe.
All right. What about the face now?
Now the face.
Come, Coulson.
Ideally.
Coulson.
We're not going to hurt anyone. Ideally,
take off
we say not, unless you're trained not to punch to the head, because the head is a very hard object and you can break your hands.
Right.
So ideally, what we use is palm heel. Yeah.
Where are we using? Down here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just along the palm here.
Okay.
So it's going to be to there, to the chin. I'll come to the side. There, inside there. Yeah?
Oh no, Senpai, you're trying to push up the nose so that it breaks the bridge?
Yeah. So if I'm going to do the nose, I go.
Oh, whoa!
Yeah? And that's going to push the bone straight into the cavity, into the skull. Yeah. The other one is there, and the other one that we call toho.
Yeah.
You just, feel, or that's going to go into the throat. Yeah. And that goes across the Adam's apple. Or if you get the target, you open. Okay, thank you very much.
This is like a dream come true for me. I have so much angst against this young man. Come now, Kingsley. Kingsley is just an average young man coming home from school, backpack on his back. Here comes a robber out of nowhere. What does Kingsley do?
Right. Okay. The situation. Wait. Hold on. The situation now. He hasn't.
Do you see how good he is as a crook?
Right. Couple of things. Yes. He hasn't had time to assess the assailant coming onto him.
Right.
So the assailant is on top of him straight away.
Right.
So the thing now, he has to think as quickly as possible. He has a knife. One of the things that there's a different philosophy. There's one philosophy, you go for the knife. The way that we learn, you leave the knife alone. Yeah. It's him that you're worried about, yeah? Once you hurt him...
Tell us why that is, because somebody watching might say, but just use the knife and just joke him.
Right.
Yeah.
The knife is an extension of his body, yeah? The knife, if you see a knife coming towards you, you're going to get cut. Just think that in your mind and deal with the person. So, get the knife. I come round, in.
Yes.
The knife,
Yes.
once he's hurt,
Yes. Yes. Yes.
once
Right.
he's in pain, the knife is ineffective there.
Yeah.
You're putting pain on him
The
immediately.
first thing is to be aware, but once you are jumped, Kingsley.
Right,
and
so
what
go
do you
back to
do?
Kingsley.
Kingsley?
So without the knife, just say you're going to hold him. So it's reached to the situation that he's, hold him again. Right. Right, that's the best scenario. Both hands are locked onto the body.
Right.
Your hands are free. All you're going to do, turn, and then the elbows come straight in. So straight across, yeah.
And you want
So-
the elbow to connect with his...
Right, so hold me. So I'll just give you. So from here,
Don't be shy, Sefa.
I'm going to step in
Whoa!
and hit. Yeah.
Yes.
So the whole body. So what you did, you just used the elbow. The whole body has to come in. Yeah. And then I'm going to grab, and you.
Nice. Nice. So really, your body is really an
Yeah. The
incredible
body,
weapon.
the whole thing has
Yes.
to go into the
And
tank.
force.
And then,
All right.
as we says, you keep on hitting
Keep
until.
until
they
he
go
run.
down.
All right. No, don't move, Coulson. Come now, Tam. So here comes this lady, which happens a lot now.
Mm-hmm.
Walking on their way to work, walking in half a tree, wherever. Here comes this robber.
Right. First thing, awareness. All right. So
Coulson's have very good teeth.
Right.
Do you realize that? This
as
robber-
it says,
yes.
which is an option, you let go of the bag. Yeah.
Don't
What's
fight.
in there? Don't fight.
Don't fight for it.
You can get whatever's in there
Yes,
replaced. If it's a
yes.
phone, unfortunately, you may lose some money.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
If the situation is that you can't get out of that situation, then you have to
Let it
deal
go.
with the assailant. Yeah. So it's a situation that you can't let go. You're in a corner somewhere, or he's going to come back again. Then you have to deal with him.
Okay.
Now the thing that she has, the phone. That's your weapon.
Yeah. Oh.
Again, you may have to say goodbye to the phone,
Yeah.
but it's into the temple,
Yeah.
into the rib
guts,
cage,
yeah. Yeah.
into the neck,
Yeah.
into the nose.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
you're using it,
Yeah.
it to slash
Yeah.
as a weapon.
Keys are also a good weapon, eh, Senpai?
Yes, keys normally put between the hands,
Yeah.
and you punch with it
Right. Okay.
as a weapon. In again. In.
Gotcha.
All right. Pen, similar thing.
So ladies, we can just
Pencil,
walk with keys and
similar
pens,
thing.
you know. All right. So then you have
you.
the ladies. Hold this for me, Benji. Who's walking with the baby?
Mm-hmm.
My baby's a little she don't feed today, so. Right. Walking with the baby.
No, we have ethics.
Here comes Coulson. No, really. Here comes Coulson. It's beta one, but you don't even know how I beat you. But in that situation. Because thieves tend to look for people who are distracted.
Correct.
So ladies with kids are targets. Right.
So again, whatever item you have on you, if you have a pen,
Yeah, use the
pencil, the phone, a similar situation as we just did, you're going to go for the pressure points. One of the things I show
Come,
as well.
Coulson.
Come, Coulson.
We're taking care of you.
Right, you may have the baby,
Right.
he's coming towards.
Right.
You just turn to the side
Right.
and push. Yeah? Try
Like
it.
so.
Yeah. You're going to go for the knee and push down onto the knee.
Okay.
Yeah.
I have to get this right, Coulson.
Right.
Like so.
You're right, but
Okay.
you're going to step down. Yeah.
Okay.
And again, the force, that's what I'm saying. A lot of the things you have to make sure, some little things you practice at home.
Yeah.
So, there. Push it down.
Force.
Yeah, force it.
Because that can break, that's going to break
No,
something.
you're aiming to break it.
Yeah.
So one of the things I say, once he holds, quickly again. So from a situation, he grabs onto you.
Yeah.
Yeah, you had the lady with the handbag.
Right.
You drop the handbag, and here.
Yeah.
Hold, and you're breaking. Yeah? Or you take him down.
Yeah.
Force.
Yeah. There's also a way, come back, Coulson. There's also a way to hold you, to turn and kind of flip them over. Can you show that
One
to
thing
me?
I'd say, no. One thing I'd say, if being attacked on the road, don't get yourself entangled with the other person.
Okay.
Try and stay in. Once you do this, if he has a knife, you're going to get stabbed from there.
Right.
So-
Temper, you work so hard, all your mic gone. Okay, wait.
So
There you go.
the best thing is to try and stay outside, deal with a person, move round the person.
Yeah.
What we call Tai Sabaki within the karate.
Karma is real, Coulson. So we're looking for nose, chin, ears, throat,
Throat,
gut,
Sternum, yeah, the
Sternum,
solar plexus,
foot,
knee, shin,
knee, back,
and the instep.
and I'm not going to joke you. I'm not going to joke you. We have a condition now, a situation now where, and let me make you guys aware, there's a, Coulson, where are you going? There's this new paradigm now where you have ladies on the road crying. People stop, they utter that they've been robbed, and they might say, beg you $100 for lunch money, and by the time you reach into your pocket, here comes another assailant. How do you deal with a situation like that? Just give up whatever it is?
No, what?
That's two
First
people
thing is
now.
awareness, yeah? Make sure that you're aware, the phone plugged into the ears, and you're texting and walking. That's an objective attack.
Of course.
You're totally unaware of your environment, so your awareness must be there once you're walking. If you see a situation where you see someone coming towards you, look to see if there's other people around. Is there a shop, a house nearby that you can run to? If it's the situation that you can't, then you have to deal with the person nearest to you, and you deal with them as hard and as effectively as possible.
Do you sound an alarm?
The other person,
scream?
scream when you're hitting him, help, murder, 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 and beat him at the same time.
Okay,
yeah?
okay.
But you have to deal with whoever comes to you first. You deal with them as hard as possible, so it dissuades the other person.
Because adrenaline will give you that burst of energy, you know, but it can also freeze you. So it's fight or flight.
Right, which is where the breathing and staying calm and being aware of your surroundings and the situation.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, guys. I think be aware is a big takeaway from this demonstration today. But the other one is that your body is a good weapon. So just know where you can cause pain and harm. Your keys are a weapon.
Keys,
pen can be a weapon.
Phone, umbrella, any item.
Yeah.
Other one, which a lot of people don't really like to use, spit. The person's in front of you, they're gonna flinch back, and then you attack. Yeah?
Gotcha.
The psychology also of the interaction with you and the person. You have to try and get the adrenaline rush down or get the adrenaline rush up.
Yeah.
It depends on the situation.
Gotcha.
So,
Where do we find you, sir, if we want to take your classes?
I do sessions from where I live, which is 9 Cassadine Avenue, Cassia Park. We also do the formal training at Girls Guide. That's next door to Devon House, in Kingston. And in Mandeville, there's also a dojo there as well.
Okay. What's the name of the dojo?
It's Girl Guide Center, the Girls Guide Center.
Okay.
Next door to Devon House.
Okay.
It's just next door to
All right, guys. Well, you can check Senpai Donovan Leng there. Could learn something that could really save your life. So check it out. It is a scandal coming up that you don't want to miss. That's after the break. Thank you very much,
All right,
Senpai.
thank you. Os.
Coulson was great.